Good afternoon, everyone. This is Kenny with RC4WD, and today we're going to be looking at a maintenance tip for rebuilding shocks or even new shocks. We're going to be dealing with shock O-ring grease, or green slime, it's also known as. We have our shock all apart. Parts we're going to be dealing with is your first O-ring, your spacer, second O-ring, and your plastic end piece. So, take your O-ring grease, put just a little bit on your finger, kind of work that around a little bit. Grab your O-ring and massage that in. And you take your shock body, put your first O-ring in, your spacer, and put your shock shaft in. Keep your finger on there, try to keep it all together. All that through. So you should have enough on your fingers. If not, you can add a little more with the grease there. Slide that guy on. Push it down. Your end piece. And the thing that we're concentrating on that you want to keep from happening are these threads here. When you put your O-rings on, can snag and create little tears in your O-ring, which will cause leaks. So we're trying to minimize that the best we can. So once you get it all together, grab your end cap, screw that guy in, back in place. And let's put your spring back in. Shock cap. Put your rod end on. Screw that guy down. And you're good to go. You have a good day, everyone.